When it comes to building wealth, we often focus on numbers, income, investments, and expenses, but the psychology of money by Morgan Housel takes a different approach. It explores the role of behavior and mindset in financial success, and trust me, it's a game changer. The book is made up of 20 short chapters, each diving into a unique aspect of how we think about money. One thing that stand out to me is how Housel emphasizes that wealth is less about how much you earn and more about how you manage what you have. He calls it the power of saving, and it's a refreshing perspective in today's world of instant gratification. Another key takeaway is the idea of avoiding comparisons. Housel explained that chasing someone else's definition of success can lead to bad decisions. Instead, focus on what money means to you, whether that's security, freedom, or time with loved ones. What I really appreciate is how the book blends personal stories, historical examples, and practical insights. For instance, Housel's chapter of trail risks, where a small number of decisions or investments shape your entire financial life, really hits home. It's about making cautious yet optimistic choices. The best part is that the writing is simple and relatable. You don't need a background in financial to understand and apply these lessons. Whether you are just starting your financial journey or looking for fresh insights, this book offers something for everyone. Now, if you are curious to dive deeper into the behavioral side of money, I've linked the book in the description, and you can also listen to it as an audiobook for free with an Amazon Audible trial. It's a fantastic way to absorb these lessons while on the go. Have you read The Psychology of Money? What's your biggest takeaway? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out the book if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching, and here is to smarter financial decisions.